Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact group in Outlook step by step. Now, this is a really useful feature, especially if you often send emails to the same set of people. For example, a project team, your classmates, your family group, or even work colleagues. Instead of typing each email address one by one every time, you can simply send one email to a whole group. This makes your workflow faster, cleaner, and much more organized. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you are not already signed in, enter your login details and click Sign In. Once you're inside your Outlook homepage, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where all your emails, folders, and tools are located. Now take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where most of the navigation options are found. Now let's move on to the next step. Look for a section called Groups. Depending on your Outlook layout, you might see it directly in the menu, or it may be hidden under More Apps. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just click More Apps and you should find it there. Once you locate Groups, click on it. This will open the area where you can manage and create contact groups. Now look for the button labeled New Group. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, Outlook will ask you to set up your group details. Start by entering a group name. Choose something clear and meaningful so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you could name it Work Team, Family Contacts, or Project Group. This helps you stay organized, especially if you create multiple groups in the future. Next, you can add a short description. This is optional, but it's very helpful because it reminds you what the group is used for. Once everything is filled in, click Create. Now Outlook will create your contact group. After a few seconds, your group will be ready and you'll be able to start adding members. Now let's move on to the important part, adding people to your group. You will see an option to add members by entering their email addresses. Start typing the email addresses of the people you want to include. As you add each person, make sure you double-check the spelling of their email address. This is important because even a small mistake can prevent them from receiving your emails. Once you've added everyone, click Add or Save to confirm. Now your contact group is officially created and ready to use. If you ever need to manage your group later, you can click on the group name again. Inside, you'll find options to edit the group details. Look for a small pencil icon, which allows you to edit the group. From here, you can change the name, update the description, or even remove the group if you no longer need it. You can also add or remove members at any time. Just go into the Members section, click Add Members, and enter new email addresses whenever needed. This makes it very flexible, so your group can grow or change over time depending on your needs. Now, here's a quick tip. If you manage multiple groups, try naming them clearly and consistently. This will help you avoid confusion and make your email workflow much more smooth. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a contact group in Outlook and make your emailing much more efficient. Now, let's quickly summarize everything we did. First, we signed into Outlook through the browser. Then we opened the Group section from the left menu or More Apps. Next, we clicked on New Group and entered a group name and description. After that, we created the group and started adding members. Finally, we saved everything and learned how to edit or update the group later. And that's everything you need to create a contact group in Outlook and make your emailing much more efficient.